heard the rumor. It's true. A cold front may make it into North Florida, but here's the catch. It won't move all the way through. From the UF Weather Center, I'm Jeff Huffman. We've had a hot June and a mainly dry June. You know something's been up this week when showers and thunderstorms have been moving in. Check out the timestamp on this time lapse. That's 11 o'clock here in the morning, and we were watching that Gulf sea breeze march inland. We had a really nice shelf cloud move through. Thankfully, it wasn't severe because we didn't have a chance to really heat up ahead of it as much as we normally do when the storms come in later in the day. So our high was only 89, and that gust front and that thunderstorm complex rolled through around 12:30 and dumped about 0.6 of an inch of rain, adding to the 2 to 3 inches we had yesterday. So it's been an active couple of days here, and we've been the exception, not the rule, here in the southeastern part of the United States. Look at the highs Thursday. It was hot all the way up to St. Louis, 95, but you take a trip a few more hundred miles north on Interstate 55, and it was only 79 in Chicago. We've got a very strong front developing that's starting to move south. The upper level winds are going to steer it in our direction. Now, clockwise motion around that big high that's kept us hot and dry is one of the reasons why we're seeing this flow off the Gulf of Mexico, and that will continue on Friday and Saturday ahead of that front. The front will get here on Sunday. Believe it or not, it's really unusual in late June or July to see a front move that far to the south. Here's your Friday timeline. Similar to Thursday, we've got a Gulf sea breeze triggering showers and storms near the Nature Coast in the late morning hours, pushing across I-75 by early afternoon. Looks like the coverage may be a little higher, a little further to the south. All right, not as many storms up near Lake City, but similar to Thursday, Friday, the atmosphere will stabilize by afternoon, and we should end up with a nice Friday evening with a lot of leftover clouds and slightly cooler temperatures. Now, before or after the storms hit your hometown, we could see a high around 91. And of course, the heat index near 100. Now, the hot, dry weather is going to return for one day on Saturday as all this moisture gets pulled north toward the front. All right, see this little area of drier air? That'll keep thunderstorms at a minimum Saturday, and it will heat up. But then the front moves right in on Sunday, and we have good chances for showers and thunderstorms. They could occur at any time on Sunday. Check this out. Here comes the front. We're all excited, right? Well, no, it halts right there in North Florida, just south of I-10, and because of its presence, we have a good chance for rain and thunder again on Monday. Now, even though we won't have a front move all the way through North Florida, the added cloud cover and the rain will cool us down, at least in terms of daytime temperatures. And I've reflected that on my 6th day. It's going to be hot and dry, good pool weather Saturday, good chance for rain Sunday, good chance for rain Monday. Temperatures come down into the upper 80s.